Hey, what's up guys, it's Junchi here, and today I'm going to review an earphone comes from the Plextone company. Whether you heard it or not, it's not that famous in Malaysia yet, and it's a China brand that is being well developed in China and it's quite famous in China. Okay, so first of all, before we start this, I just want to wish you all a happy Merry Christmas. Today we are going to review the DX2 Plextone Earphone. Let's get started. Press start. Are you a person that like deep bass and detangling wire, in-ear earphones, and you are a heavy PUBG gamer? Then DX2 might be the next headphones you want to get next. It comes with a carrying bag, and earphone is extremely small. It's very convenient to carry out, and you will not tangled by your wire anymore thanks to this magnetic design earphones. It is usable for Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 4, PC or laptop. The earphone is an L-shaped design, so you won't get interrupted when you PUBGing with your smartphones. It comes with an audio splitter cable for desktop users. So right now the audio here is from DX2. And now it goes back to my camera external mic. Hello 1 2 3, hello 1 2 3. Goes back to DX2. Hello 1 2 3, hello 1 2 3. That's the end of the video. Special thanks to Plextone for sponsoring me this amazing DX2 earphone. And also they are being so nice to purposely generate for you guys, for my viewers. You will get a 5 ringgit off when you are purchasing any earphones in Plextone. I will put down a link for you to shop it. It's a Junchi here, let's go here. Peace out. I'll see you next